All right, let's check. Now at this moment, I am going to start the process. This is the second tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover the process of creating lines in AutoCAD. First, you need to click on the Lines tool with the button, which is located in the upper left. Click on the screen, then we draw a line. The line we draw, there are two types. The lines can either move freely or be perfectly straight by pressing the F8 key. All right, this is how you make it straight. We press F8 again. Search again. Click the second time. Then press Enter. Now let's draw a line. Is located.